Hello, everyone. Let's talk about Kalanchoe plant today. I have this Kalanchoe here, which was very healthy and beautiful, but right now the branches are going outwards and they are a bit scraggly. Why this happened? Because when they are not getting indirect sunlight, they branches go outwards to look for sunlight. So that is why it is like that. I'm going to fix this. So kalanchoe is a beautiful succulent plant which is indoor plant for northern america for colder climate, and it has a very delicate little flowers, rosette kind of rose kind of flowers, and they come in all different colors. They are yellow, lemon yellow, and pink, orange, and there's so many other white. So beautiful colors they are, and they look very beautiful indoors when they're full of flowers. So right now it does not have any flowers. Okay, Thunder, that's not for you, Thunder. I see many tiny roots developing on leaf nodes. These are perfect for propagating. I will trim healthy branches and make clean cuts just below the leaf nodes. These cuttings root very easily, which makes Kalanchoe perfect for propagation. Always use clean and sharp pruner. For planting, I used a simple soil mix, 50% regular potting soil and 50% cactus mix. This keeps the soil well drained. This is a rooting powder which helps to develop the roots faster. As the branches are drooping too much, I will be trimming back a good amount of plant. I will now make smaller cuttings from the branches, taking the lower leaves off. After taking the lower leaves off, I'm now going to dip it in the rooting powder. Once all the cuttings are complete, I water them thoroughly. Kalanchoe does not need a lot of water. Just check with your finger. If it is too dry, only then you water. Otherwise, the roots can rot. So there we have it. These are going to be healthy new plants, and it takes some time to develop some roots. And keep checking on them. Do not put them in a sorry, in a direct sunlight, but indirect sunlight. They do need sunlight. Okay, I will see you with one more video next time. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel, please. Okay, until then, you take care. Bye.